Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Prashigo. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys how I make my own baby's finger food at home. Finger foods are a fun way to help our little ones develop all the skills they need to bite, chew, and self-feed themselves. So firstly, I'll just go ahead and cut my veggies into the perfect sizes I want, then transfer it into my steamer and steam it for about 5 to 7 minutes. After steaming, I'll just go ahead and transfer it back to my chopping board and add some oatmeal cereal to it and few drops of olive oil. Then place it back into my frying pan and roast it for about 2 minutes so as to make it a little bit crunchy, and it is ready to be eaten. So let's see how my baby is going to eat her finger food for the first time. I'm sure she's gonna love it. And also, please do not forget to feed them with water or breast milk alongside. You know they have small throat, so for everything to be able to go down smoothly, they need water or breast milk. Thank you guys for always supporting my channel. In case you have any video in mind for me to create, please go ahead and write it down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.